Hi guys, this is Miss Evans. We're going to talk a little bit today about some volume. What we're talking about today is how to find the volume of a prism. Remember, we talked earlier in the year about prisms versus pyramids. And what we know about prisms is that their sides are rectangular, but their base doesn't always have to be rectangular. You should have some previous background knowledge on volume. I would guess the formula you were taught would be length times width times height, which is a fine volume formula for cubes and rectangular prisms. But we need to know how to find the volume of both rectangular prisms and triangular prisms. So this formula will work, but there's a simpler formula that I wish we always taught from the beginning because it just covers more shapes. And that is right here. That is volume equals area of the base, which is why you see that capital B there, times the height. Okay, and so if you can remember that, that will work for both your rectangular prisms and your triangular prisms. So we have two examples. Let's take a look at example 1 here. You'll see again, they give us volume equals area of the base times height. So we go over here to the shape, and we see that the base is going to be 6 by 8. So 6 times 8 will give us 48. And then we're going to simply multiply that by 15. That is technically the same thing as what we did here, which is length times width times height. But like I said, this not only works for rectangular prisms, but will work for triangular when we use the formula we talked about up here. So then we have a triangular prism down here. So again, we need to find the base, okay? So the base of this shape is going to be a triangle. That is the triangular base as we see here. So we need to take the 2 we have here and the 5.5 we have here and multiply those. But what we can't forget is with a triangle, we have to divide by 2. So we would do 5.5 times 2. And then we would divide that in half, which in easy terms takes us back to 5.5. And then we would multiply that by the height, which in this case is 4. So that would give us 22. Those are two quick examples on how to find the volume of prisms. I want to keep this video to under 3 minutes, so we're going to stop right there. I'd say rewatch, or you can always search for another video on the same topic if that doesn't make sense. Hope you're doing well. Miss you guys.